Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be installing our fixture box. Now with the can light that we pulled out, the diameter is about 6 inches. However, the diameter for our mounting plate is only about 4 inches. Now because our opening is so large, there's a couple different options that we can do. First, we just have a box that will nail directly into one of our ceiling joists. And secondly, we have a box with a bracket that we can have span between those two ceiling joists. Now on one of our lights, we were able to use that box with the bracket and span that between the ceiling joists. The tricky part was just getting up there and actually nailing it in. The thing that we ran into with our second light is that we have our ductwork running between those ceiling joists. So we couldn't get up there and span that brace across those joists because that ductwork would get in the way. Our alternate box has nails, which you just set the box up against your joists and you nail those nails in, and that will secure it up in the ceiling. Our next step is just to feed our wires through our newly installed box.